How to add manager to Google Ads account. It's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, what you're gonna do is you want to go ahead and sign in to your Google Ads account. Okay. Then what you want to do, guys, is hover over the admin section, and you'll see this gear cog right here. What you're gonna do is click on that, and then you want to go ahead and open the access and security menu. Okay. Now here, under the users tab, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the blue plus button, okay? Then just enter the user's, email address right here, and then you can also put in when you want the access to expire. You can put never, and then you just select the account access level. So there's different access levels. There's email only, and the only thing they have power to do is to view the reports. And then there's billing, there is read only, and there's a standard one where they have almost all the permissions. And then there's admin. Admin has every single permission. And then what you can do is send the invitation to the respective email. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.